Good morning, students, and welcome to the English class. And today we will learn or we will study about a poem, and that poem is based on elephant, and the name of that poem is Make Room for Elephants. Make Room for Elephants. And the poem is written by Ruskin Bond. The poem is written by Ruskin Bond, and he is an Indian author. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author, and he lives with his adopted family in Missouri. And he is counted and got the title of iconic among the all writers and poets. Even he is known for his playing, that is children's literature. Most of the literature what he has written, that is specially for the based on children's behavior and children's life. So here he prescribed this poem to bring out our kind attention towards the behavior, and he shows his behavior towards the elephant, then how he take care about, and how he is so much worried to keep the elephant in his house or in his family. So students, here is a beautiful poem you can see. So I like to request to all of you, you can open your book New James English Reader, page number 31. So page number 31, you can see on the screen, Make Room for Elephants, and you will see here the words, the actual information the poet is going to give us. So here I will read it, and students, please put your finger over the words and read after me. You just practice, okay? It will develop your reading knowledge, it will develop the knowledge of reading practice, and as well as you can improve your pronouns. Let's begin. I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space, but if it makes a difference, Lord, I did gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's Dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. 2 elephants, he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father come to stay. Okay, once again I read, and please read after me. I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I would gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's Dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. 2 elephants, he is more than kind. But I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father come to stay. Okay, so here the poem Make Room for Elephant is one of the fine and favorite poem written by Ruskin Bond, and this is one of the favorite poem for the kids. And in this poem, Bond described the size of the elephant, and the size of the elephant, you have seen the elephant, the size of the elephant, it is much larger than other. That means that is a giant creature. So one of the giant creature on the earth, and he described very beautifully and relating elephants to his family members and how his father and mother would react if he wants to give shelter for animal as huge as elephant. So here the poet requests his father and mom that he is going to keep a huge elephant, a huge creature, a giant creature, the elephant, and he want to bring the elephant to his house. And before he bring the elephant to his house, he just ask his parents. He wants their permission. Then first he described the elephant are so huge that they occupy so much space, that he described the big giant, he will occupies a big space. That means even the house and the house where he is staying, that is very small. So for that particular creature, if the particular creature occupy the large space, then how he will bring it, and how he will bring the elephant to his house? So the occupying much space on the earth, and then he saw that he has got no problem in giving shelter to a baby elephant. If he give the shelter to a baby elephant, that so there a much more space for that baby elephant. So he tried to give, and he tried to bring the baby elephant to his house, even though if the elephant's call is mother. If the baby elephant, it is easy to keep a baby elephant in the house, but question is that if the baby elephant call its mother, then what will happen? Bond's dad will be good enough to provide. And here we can see the best picture of the poet's father, and he is a kind and gentleman, and he was very good, and he is ready to provide even his garage. He want to give his garage, but he doesn't really know what his mother would say. The poet described about his father's picture, but he is not know about his mother. If his mother know these things, then what he will give, and what he will give the reaction, the poet doesn't know. If the baby elephant dad, uncle and aunts to come to take shelter, okay, it is good, or it is much more space for the baby elephant. But if the baby elephant call its father, mother, uncle, aunts, so it is difficult to give them shelter. So he thought about his mother. The poet think about his mother. If his mother know that these things, that his son is going to call the baby elephant, and the baby elephant is waiting to call his father, mother, uncle, aunt. So what the reaction is showing by the mother? So it is difficult to read. It is difficult to read So it is difficult to read the mother's reaction. So here there is a question again. The poet is giving here, and he bring out the intention toward the elephant, toward the baby elephant, and he want to bring the intention from his parents. Already he understands his father, but there is a question mark for his mother, because he doesn't understand his mother. He doesn't understand his mother. So this is a beautiful and a short poem, dear students. So I think it is very easy to read and learn. So this is my request to all of you, the students. Please note down this poem twice a time in your fair notebook, and try to read this one and try to learn this poem. Okay, the students, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you. Thank you.